Welcome to my channel How to Make Creating an Instagram account. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows its users to share photos and videos with friends and family. It is also used by many businesses and influencers to promote their products and services. Creating an Instagram account is an easy process, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create an Instagram account. Download the Instagram app from your App Store. Open the app and create an account. You will be asked to enter some basic information such as your name, email address, and a username. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to choose a profile picture. You can either take a photo or choose an existing photo from your device. After you have set up your profile picture, you will be asked to add some information about yourself in the bio section. This is where you can write a short description about yourself or your business. You can then start following other users and exploring the app. You can also add your friends to your account by searching for their usernames or by sending them an invitation link. Converting an Instagram account to private. If you want to keep certain posts and photos away from the public eye, you can convert your Instagram account to private. This will allow you to approve or reject followers before they can view your content. Here is how to convert your Instagram account to private. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. Tap Privacy, and then Account Privacy. Tap Private Account, and then Confirm. Once your account is private, you will be asked to approve or reject followers who request to follow you. By following these steps, you can easily create an Instagram account and convert it to private if needed. This will help you control who can view your content and ensure that only your friends and family can see your posts.